Switzerland looks like a paradise of perfection. Clean streets, zero noise, perfect trains, polite people. But behind this calm, polished exterior lies a society governed by hidden rules. Rules so strict, so quietly enforced, that outsiders rarely notice them until it's too late. Today, we're going inside Switzerland's unspoken code of conduct. The invisible system that shapes behavior, creates social pressure, and keeps the country functioning with near-military precision. This is the hidden rules of Switzerland's strict society, an investigative expose. In Switzerland, silence is more than a preference. It's a civic duty. Talking loudly on public transport? You'll get stares sharp enough to cut steel. Even simple things like closing a door too loudly, dragging a chair, walking heavily in an apartment, showering after 10 p.m. in some buildings are considered social offenses. No one will yell at you. No one will confront you. But you will feel the pressure because everyone knows the rules except you. Switzerland runs on systems, precise, efficient, unforgiving systems. Whether it's recycling, taxes, voting, or apartment rules, you're expected to follow them perfectly. Break one rule, you'll get a letter. Break it again, another letter. And eventually, you risk being socially frozen out. Neighbors avoiding you, landlords refusing renewals, employers taking note. Switzerland doesn't punish you loudly. It punishes you quietly. In Switzerland, being passive is unacceptable. You must contribute to the group through work, taxes, voting, community involvement. If you try to be invisible, the system will remind you that you're not. This expectation creates a society where people don't litter, don't waste time, show up early, follow schedules, respect shared spaces. Switzerland works because everyone is expected to carry their weight. Switzerland is one of the most private societies on the planet. People don't overshare. Neighbors don't ask personal questions. And discussing money publicly? Absolutely forbidden. Ironically, in one of the richest countries in the world, no one talks about wealth. Privacy maintains harmony by avoiding comparison, jealousy, and social tension. Switzerland values order, even in personal presentation. People dress clean, conservative, and neutral. Not flashy, not loud, not attention-seeking. Because standing out breaks the social equilibrium. This subtle pressure is why Swiss cities feel calm, coordinated, harmonious. The result? A society that looks perfect because people are expected to behave perfectly. Swiss society is built on trust, but you must prove yourself first. Relationships move slowly. People don't open up immediately. They observe you. Once trust is earned, it's strong and reliable. But if you break it, you may never get it back. Switzerland's hidden rules are strict, but they create a society that is safe, clean, organized, and deeply functional. These invisible expectations shape everything: behavior, culture, relationships, and even the national identity. Switzerland's perfection isn't an accident. It's engineered, maintained, protected. And these hidden rules are the blueprint.